This is Just in Case of American Newscape, joining our friend and book wrangler Sarah Wisdom, bringing you another episode of Yuma County Library Happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Thank you so much. It's always nice to talk with you.
Nice to have you here, Sarah. That being said, what's happening at our libraries?
Well, lots and lots of things. We are full swing into summer reading, and our programming staff has just planned all kinds of fun things for humans to do this summer. The first event I want to mention is a Green Housekeeping workshop that's coming up at the main library. And our librarian, Julie, will be talking about how to make your own household cleaners from basic ingredients you probably already have around the house. As you may know, regular chemicals can be damaging to the environment. They also come in lots of plastic and lots of containers. And so here's a way that you can make your own cleaning solutions and reuse some of those bottles and other containers to be more eco-friendly.
Well, yeah, be safer in your home and have a positive impact on the environment.
Absolutely.
So, what else, Sarah?
Well, we have a fun event for kids coming up at the main library on Saturday called Captain Hook's Telescope. And this is part of the NASA at My Library grant that the library received. You'll have a chance to enjoy a special Disney film. I'll let you guess which one it is. And the first 30 kids in attendance will receive a take-home craft courtesy of the NASA at My Library grant.
How cool is that? Captain Hook at the library.
Right.
Okay. What else, Sarah?
Last but not least, coming up at our Foothills Library on Saturday, they have another session, Stories by Hand, coming up, and that is in conjunction with an American Sign Language class that they're offering. The class is for ages 16 and older, but then on Saturday, they offer ASL story time. So we have our children's librarian reading a story and another person signing while she reads the story. And it's just another great way to introduce your kids to another form of communication.
Well, it's a form of communication we should all have some of. So,
Yes.
how cool is that? That's a cool thing out at the Foothills. Everybody, this has been Just in Case and Sarah Wisdom bringing you Yuma County Library Happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today's the day to subscribe to this channel. It sounds like I'm off to the races. Please support book wranglers, libraries, and librarians everywhere.